David Rees.
What actions is the Welsh Government taking to support the manufacturing sector in Wales?
So the Welsh Government's manufacturing manifesto was due to be published on the 2nd of April. While formal consultation has not been possible because of the coronavirus crisis, the themes of the manifesto, skills, infrastructure, research and leadership, for example, continue to shape our support for the sector.
Well, thank you for that answer, First Minister, and I look forward to the publication of the manifesto because it is critical. Welsh manufacturing has been the bedrock of much of our economy over the years and actually over the centuries, and it's important. We need to keep that going. We have seen losses in Airbus, GE. Manufacturing has been hit by COVID very severely. Now, the UK Government seems to have failed to actually consider manufacturing and is not given the support it should be given. But this Welsh Government needs to give that support to ensure that it continues to thrive throughout the years ahead of us. Can you give me guarantees that the Welsh Government will continue to support manufacturing, particularly in areas which have faced difficulties, and I'll include steel in that area, as well as the aviation sector, so that we can continue to have the highly skilled, well-paid jobs in Wales, which they've always supported?
I'm very happy indeed to provide that assurance to David Rees. He's right. 10.7% of Welsh employment takes place in the manufacturing sector, compared to 7.9% of the UK employment in that sector. So it's obviously of much greater importance to us here in Wales, and particularly to communities of the sort that David Rees so regularly speaks up for here on the floor of the Senedd. Now, I want to recognise where the UK Government has stepped in to help. On the 2nd of July, the emergency loan to Celsa in the steel industry was a very important decision, and it's helped to safeguard 800 jobs here in South Wales. But that is an example of what more is needed. We absolutely have to have sectoral employment protection schemes for steel, for automotive, and for aerospace. Those are fundamental industries here in Wales. They face existential crises as a result of coronavirus, and each one of them needs a bespoke package of help from the UK Government in order to make sure that they are here, the other side of this crisis, because the UK economy needs a steel industry. The UK economy needs a successful aerospace industry, and only the UK Government has the firepower, as my colleague Ken Skate has put it, to step in and provide help of the sort that is needed. The Welsh Government will continue to do the things that we do, investing in skills, investing in research, helping with local investments that we can put in place, as we have with Tata in Port Talbot. But the nature of the crisis is such that it is a UK response that is needed, and sadly, we didn't hear anything of it in the summer statement of Wednesday last week.
Russell George.